This is my workstation, morning garden. Got my little bag here. I'm getting rid of this, after I do this black cow, I won't be buying any more of it. And over here is my soil, this cheap stuff here. And that gets the job done. Show you what I'm growing with it. Got the black cow, got the peat moss. I get these for $6 a piece, 3 cubic feet, 3 cubic feet, 3 cubic feet. So I got these here, and I grow this pretty corn plants with it. There we go. Locusts are everywhere. Look at that. Locusts even on the got daggone corn. No big deal. And over here, and they're growing in bags. They're growing in bags. Just as healthy, green, no bug bites, nowhere on them. Even the locust is not biting. I'm out here, locusts are flying everywhere. Every time I touch a tree, they fly away from it. I'll show you that in a second. Look at this right here. Look at this right here. These were plants that were throwaways. They were throwaways. They were in a pan. I left them there. I was like, nah, I'm not worried about these. Now, they have been fed for a while since we had the heavy rain for about 3 days. So they're going to get fed. These are some bags. Getting ready to set up some more corn. Set the bags up like this. Then I set them in the totes. And down at the bottom of the totes, 2 inches from the bottom, I put a hole with a drill on all sides. And that's what I do. And so it holds water in there even when I can't get to it to water it. Now these are dried out, completely dry. See the bottom? It's dried out. And there you go. Okay, we're looking good. Morning garden show.